Hey guys, it's Krista. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you 5 absolutely essential tips on sticking to your healthy lifestyle during this Thanksgiving. Alright guys, make sure you stay tuned in for tip number 5, which is going to be at the very end of the video, because that is a tip I guarantee you every single one of you needs to hear. So let's go ahead and jump in. Tip number 1, definitely bring 1 to 2 healthy dishes for yourself. And if you're the hostess, make sure you make at least 1 to 2 healthy dishes that fit in with your healthy lifestyle. So what I mean by that is something that is 1 dish. If you can only bring 1 dish, definitely bring in something that's like protein packed. For me this year, it's going to be the Engine 2 meatloaf, and it is super good, super protein packed, and it makes you feel nice and full and satisfied and ensures that you have something to eat. If you can bring 2 dishes, I highly recommend bringing a dessert also, because that will help keep you on track during the dessert hour after dinner. So for me, I'm going to be bringing a vegan pumpkin pie, and I will link that recipe in the description box below. Thumbs up if you love pumpkin pie like I do. It's like one of my favorite things. So definitely bring 1 to 2 dishes, and that will help you stay focused and stay on your healthy lifestyle. Tip number 2, bring your thick skin with you, because a lot of times in a family setting, people will give you a hard time if you're not doing the same things you always used to do in the past. If you've recently adopted a healthy lifestyle, be prepared to get some comments or some criticisms. Just put on that thick skin. And one of the phrases that I always like to use with my family if I ever get a hard time is, I'm just doing what I think is best for myself and my health. And that usually shuts people up and lets them know that you're not there to judge them or to tell them what to do. You're just doing what you think is best for yourself. And I think that that works really good with friends and family, unless of course you have a super awesome family that's already totally plant-based or is very supportive of you. This is one of my favorite tips. Tip number 3 is help the host or the hostess. The reason why this one helps you keep on track is because, number 1, it provides you with a little bit of human interaction and connection. In this day and age, everything is about social media and everything is online, and there's a lot of disconnect in our society. So you taking a chance to connect with someone one-on-one, whoever your host or hostess is, and help them set the table, help them set out the dishes, set up the silverware, whatever you can do to help that host. And that will help you get human connection, and that will also keep you busy and keep you away from the snack table. Tip number 4, super important here. Make sure you eat a healthy breakfast, snack, and lunch before you go to your event or your Thanksgiving dinner for most of us. Make sure that you eat something nice and protein-filled, fiber-filled, lots of fruits and vegetables for breakfast, lunch, and a snack, so that you're feeling full and satisfied and not like you're deprived before you go to Thanksgiving dinner. Because if you're going and you arrive feeling like you're starving, you are going to succumb to cravings. You're going to eat things that you don't want to really be eating. You're not going to have your willpower because your body's going to be saying, feed me. So make sure you eat something healthy for breakfast and for lunch and a snack. Tip number 5. Thank you so much if you stay tuned all the way to tip number 5, because this one is absolutely the most important tip, and that is to enjoy yourself. If you mess up, it's okay. Don't beat yourself up about it, because that's not going to help you be successful in the long term. You need to just go home, take your vitamin, do a 5-minute yoga flow, meditate, go to bed, wake up, and start fresh tomorrow. If you mess up, it's not the end of the world, and it doesn't mean that you're unhealthy, and it doesn't mean that you're going to gain your weight back. It just means that you're human, you've made a mistake, and that you can pick yourself up that night, go home and drink some detox tea, and get started over right away. Just jump back on that horse. That's the most important part. Alright guys, so those were your 5 tips on staying healthy during the Thanksgiving holiday with your family. If you found those helpful, definitely give me a thumbs up. Comment in the description box below what dishes you're going to be bringing that are plant-based to your Thanksgiving, or what you're going to be cooking for Thanksgiving. I'd love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get alerted when I post a new video. And I will see you guys again next week. Happy Thanksgiving. Take care, guys. Bye.